The 2011 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, power passenger seat, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, backup camera, traction control, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.